How to update your Windows program with one command. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you guys can update or upgrade your Windows program all at once using a single command. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So first step is you will need to open up your command prompt. For that, simply search for CMD on the search bar and open up your command prompt. So right here, first step that you'll need to take is first check what needs to be upgraded. So for that, simply type in winget update or upgrade. I'll just type in upgrade. And after typing that, you will see all of the things that will need the upgrade. My bad here. Let me just tap change the spelling here, and it should start running. And there you can see it's starting to upgrade or simply scanning for upgrade. And yeah, while this happens, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also, press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. So right here you can see how many upgrades are available right now. Right now 27 upgrades are available. So what I can do to finally run the upgrade, and the one command that does it, is simply type in winget space upgrade again, give a dash and type in all. After you hit enter, all of these will be upgraded, and it's basically that simple. And that's all for today's video guys. That's how you do this. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos, and bye bye. Take care.